Hey, fifth graders, welcome to page 131 and 132. If you open up your book and you look at page 131, you're going to see one big fat surprise for you. What's your surprise? There is not page 131. That's a bunch of explanation, but I'm here to give you the explanation. So really, you only have one page to do today for math. Happy Friday. Okay, so here we go. And actually, the other thing is what you're really going to love. It's not fractions, okay? There are fractions in here, but nothing new. So that'll be a good review. Work hard. I want to see some good stuff, okay? So here we go. We've done these before, guys. These are algebraic equations. This is big kid stuff, right? Okay? People in algebra are doing this kind of stuff. Follow my procedimiento. My process, right? Here we go. I'm going to show you what to do. The first thing you do is multiply 6 times 5, right? So write it again. N plus 3 equals 30. Okay, now watch. Your meta, your goal is to get n solito. N needs to go by itself. N is creído and doesn't like numbers, right? So we need to get this 3 away from it and move it to the other side. But how? We need to do it by doing the opposite of what 3 is doing to the n. What is 3 doing to the n, Abiel? Is it adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? It's adding. What's the opposite of adding, Ethan? Subtracting. Okay, listen to that. The opposite of adding is subtracting. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So if this is adding, guess what we're going to do over here? Subtract. So that means n equals, we move that away, it's gone, to everything I'm doing. What's 30 minus 3? Danielito? 27. Okay, 27. We're not done. We need to check it. We need to check it. Make sure you're doing all these steps. We're going to repeat them a couple times, but you got to do them with me. Ready? Put your check mark. What we're going to do is we're going to put this n into where n used to be and make sure that we're right. So 27 in for n. 27 plus 3, okay, copy it again, equals 6 times 5. We just copy the whole problem again, putting the n into the 27 into the n. What's 27 plus 3, Frankie? 30. What's 6 times 5, Oscar? 30. Does 30 equal 30? Yes, it does. Oh, happy days, we're right. Okay, oh, happy days, we are right. Okay, let's do the process again together, and then I'm going to make you try one by yourself. Letter B. Letter B. N divided by 5 equals 7 plus 2. The first thing we do is what? Add your 7 plus 2. N over 5 equals, what's 7 plus 2, Dueno? 9. Okay, what is the 5 doing to the n, Mario? Dividing. What's the opposite of dividing, Safir? Multiplying. So we're going to cross this out and put it over here. Multiply by 5. We do the opposite. We do the contrario, right? So n equals 45, right? Because 9 times 5 is 45. So then we check it. Put your check mark. Put your 45 in for n. 45 over 5 equals 7 plus 2. What's 45 divided by 5? For Andres? 9. What's 7 plus 2? Frankie? 9. Are those equal, Ethan? Oh, happy days. So you know that you're right. Go ahead and try letter C by yourself. Ready? N plus 7 equals 35 over 5. Okay. I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay, ready? Here we go. 35 divided by 5 is what, Frankie? 7. So we're going to write n plus 7 equals 7. Okay, because we got to finish up first. Okay, Dwayne, what do we do next? What's the 7 doing to the n, buddy? Adding, so what do we do? Subtract. What? Que raro. N equals 0, right? Okay, let's see if we're right. 0 plus 7 equals 35 over 5. What's 0 plus 7, Negrito? 7. What's 35 divided by 5, Andres? 7. So, oh, happy days, we are right. Okay? Let's do letter D. Let's do letter D. Last one I'm going to do with you today. 5n equals 4 plus 11. Okay, we're going to write it again. 5n equals, what's 4 plus 11? Oscar? 15. Okay, guys, look at this one. Look at this one carefully. 5n, when they're pegados así. When they're pegados así, eso significa multiplicar. Pegados así means multiplicar. So what's the opposite of multiplicar? The 5 is multiplicando with the n. What is the opposite? Divide. Okay, so we divide. 5. N equals, what's 15 divided by 5? Do we know? 3. Okay, let's check it. 5 times 3, because I told you it was multiplicar, is 4 equals 4 plus 11. What's 5 times 3, Mario? 15. What's 4 plus 11, Safir? 15. Oh, happy days. We are right. Okay, that same thing's going to happen in letter F. So go ahead and make sure that you know how to do letter F, and try letter E as well. Okay, I'm going to do letter A with you for add and subtract, because we want to make sure that we keep getting these more and more understanding. Okay, what's our common denominator going to be? Look at it. What's our common denominator going to be? Okay, let's see it. What's our biggest denominator? 24. Can 8 divide into 24, Ethan? Yes, 24 divided by 8 is possible. Can 4 go into 24? Yes, it is. So 24 is our denominator, right? Okay, here we go. 8 times what equals 24, Frankie? 3. So 5 times 3 equals 15. 4 times what equals 24, Oscar? 6. So 3 times 6 equals 18. This one stays the same. Okay, 24 is our denominator. What's our numerator, Danielito? 40. Good job, man. 40, so here we go. 24 into 40, because we can't leave it like that, you guys. The 40 is bigger, so we gotta divide it over here. 24 goes into 40 one time. That's 16 over 20. Can I reduce Oscar? Yes, I can. I can divide 16 and 20 by some number. Let's start out with 2. Right? Here we go, Sophia, with 16 divided by 2. I'm gonna write it down here. 1, 8 over 10. Good. Can I divide by 2 again? Yes. Okay, let's write it down here. 1. What's 8 divided by 2, Andres? 4. What's 10 divided by 2, Frankie? 5. There you go. The rest of the homework is all you guys. Try hard. I want to see what you can do. Talk to you later. Bye.